This is Courtney speaking. What do you want?
Is this Glow 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 call center?
Duh.
Okay, so I just got my makeup kit today.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thanks, but the foundation brush is broken. Hello?
Yeah?
Did you hear me?
Yeah.
I can't use this broken brush.
Use your hands. Bye.
No, wait. I just need a replacement for my brush.
We don't do replacements.
It says right here on the box, we do replacements for brushes.
No, it doesn't. We changed that.
When?
Just now.
Can I please just get a replacement for the brush? That's all I want.
Okay. Done. I just sent you a confirmation email.
Okay, I'll check now.
Is there a problem?
Yes, this email says use your hands.
You're welcome.
What the?
Another satisfied customer.